What's going on, everybody? This is Nasim from nasimreza.com, and in this video you are going to see how to install the Mediago extension and verify your setup, like your Mediago set, your pixel installation is working or not. Okay, so Chrome extension actually very helpful to detect the pixel installation, and in this video we are going to see that. So first of all, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then definitely you can subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. It will help me to continue working on this channel. And if you need any help to set up your conversion tracking that you are not able to do it perfectly, then you can contact me. I will help you because I am also a part-time freelancer, so I will give up my best service to you. Okay, let's dive in here. This video actually I made because if I search on Mediago on Google Chrome store, you can see this extension are not available in here. So that is the tricky part, that you need to how you can install this extension. Okay, so first of all, if you go your Mediago account dashboard, then you will see a option under the conversion pixel section, which is detect pixel code installation. Just hit that button and you will see a pop-up with the download button. When you click the button, your extension will download. Okay, and now it's time to install that. So for installing the third party extension like this, you need to go the extension and manage extension, and then you need to open your developer mode. Okay, and after that you need to hit this button on the left top, load unpacked. Just click that button and you can see you need to find the extension where you downloaded. You just need to select that folder and make sure that your when you download that would be the zip file. You need to unzip that and then you need to select that folder and then select it, and you can see it's downloading and it's Mediago Pixel is here, so keep for now. And here you can see this Mediago is now here. If I reload it and reload again of this browser, and this is not Mediago, and probably it should show here. I have multiple extension made it, so yes, here it is. Just pin it and you can see this is here now. And now let's go to landing page. So if I open my landing page, you can see there is nothing because my pixel may be not installed. So let's try to make a tag for Mediago. So yes, this is the fresh container. Just hit new and find the Mediago pixel, and Mediago is about to 5-digit account ID you have to input. Just I am using the my random ID, but you should open your new one, and I want to pick page view and trigger would be all pages, and save it and then save it. And I just go to review it, preview. Now just click on the preview, and I just want to see this pixel helper. Yes, now you can see this pixel helper detect the page view tag is fired on my landing page. And if you make another like another tag for a specific event. For example, select the event and all the custom event you can say make it with Google Tag Manager, and you can detect it with this extension, and that extension will tell you your setup is working fine or wrong. So that's all for today. If you need any help to set up your pixels with Google Tag Manager, you can contact me, and contact details you will get on this video description. So I really appreciate that you will contact me, and I will give up my best service to you. And don't worry, I have enough experience on this field, because as you can see, I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork, and I have completed 270 plus project on there. So that's all for today. See you on the next one, and don't forget to hit the subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.